She really likes this bag of goldfish. She smells them. You knocked it over, Peanut. Now can we get in there? PB. You're silly. You're a silly one. Then you better. You can't have any of that anyways. Peanut. Here, let me... She's trying to get her head in there. And it's not working. Oh my god.